sir. Welcome. Can you just tell us, please, what are your goals for tomorrow night? Is it only to win or to run a fast time?
First of all, if I will try to win because I'm in jackpot. So I think very important thing is to win for me. Secondly, maybe I know that Moimran Van Dam track is very fast. I want to run faster than Zurich. Now really I recovered a little bit after World Championship. Also I'm going back to altitude for 4 days. Just now I'm okay and I'm feeling better, and I will try tomorrow my best.
Have you thought yet about what your priorities will be next year? There is no Olympics, there is no World Championship. What will you concentrate on?
Really, I have time to think about it, but from now it's too early. But first, I want to finish this season, in good situation. So maybe for the next year, I will discuss with my manager and my family. So I think, and this time I don't have any program and any schedule for next year.
You have never run in the World Half Marathon Championships yet. Is there any possibility you would do it this year?
No.
No possibility.
Not possibility. Yeah. I don't want to run this time.
Will you run on the roads this often?
Yes, I ran before some races, but also last year I ran after Beijing, 15K, and it was not. I was not preparing very well because of after Beijing, I raced too much, and then I got injured when I started train for the 15K. I train maybe more training on the road, and I don't know. Maybe I train hard early, to in short time I train too much to prepare, well. So really I afraid when when I'm thinking about road, it's very difficult because it needs concentration and really good training and preparation. So
you have not yet decided?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
And if you would run, it would be shorter, like 15K probably.
Sorry?
If you would run, it would be something short.
I don't know. I can run faster. So 15K is normally not very long, not like marathon, half marathon, but really it's very close to 10,000 meters. And I know that a road race is very strong course and very tough for the healthy. So the only thing I can run better, maybe I can run faster than other.
Okay, so you have a time target in that. Is there a specific time that you're aiming to achieve?
Really, my specific time, I don't have any. Maybe the only thing as I told you before, but maybe winning is very important, first of all, and secondly, I want to run faster than the Zurich because I knew the track very well, and I said 10,000 meters last 5 years ago, so I think I can run faster than.
You think are you fresh now, or do you think that?
Yes, I'm much better than Zurich. I'm much better because Zurich is very close to World Championship. Really, in that time I need rest. So between this very short time now, I'm recovered well. I'm much better than Zurich.
Do you think you or Usain Bolt should win the World Athlete of the Year?
I think for me this is too early, to say about. I can't say anything, but I don't know really on this time. It's very strange for me.
Minister, talking about Bolt the last couple of weeks, that's the main name we heard, and him telling us that he wants to become a legend. You've won so many titles, so many medals over the last couple of years. Do you consider yourself a legend?
ምንድን ነው ያለችው? ይሄን ጥያቄ በደንብ አልገባኝ። ሆነዋል እሱ as my performance, I'm very better athlete. I'm very strong athlete because if you watch out behind, my history is not easy. I did everything. I achieved everything. So I'm double Olympic champion, even for I'm Olympic champion 2 times, and World Championship, and so many cross countries, and world record, more than 2 trips. So I did my best, So, but the only thing it's what I'm saying, I want to say those things, but the other things, I don't know.
The answer
This
is
is
yes, I think.
other things is from judgments. I don't know.
Given you have won so much, as you say, the Olympics, the world title, what motivates you for seemingly lesser events like this? I mean, is it, through your head tomorrow, will it just be the jackpot that's sort of keeping you pushing through?
Yes, because those races not so easy, because not so many athletes achieve this performance like Golden League. So if you think about it, it's very tough race, because you can racing every week with new athletes, with stronger athletes. To win 6 times it's very tough. As you know before, but because for many athletes it's very difficult to win even 4 or 5 times. So to win all races, it's quite difficult. At this time, how many races adjusted for Golden League? How many athletes to win? Won maybe 5 times at this time. Only 3 athletes left. So even tomorrow we never know. Maybe somebody lose from 3 of us. So it's very strong event, and when we think about those race. So I think it's very good to win all 6 and to share this achievement with other